Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this click inspired video edit. You know the movie where they pause the background, but you can still move around, I guess. So I'm just going to select a background. I'm going to select a video of a person walking as well. And then here I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. Let's just put this down a little bit, and I'm going to scale it as well to fit the background a little bit more. So for instance here, maybe you want to freeze frame it, so select the background and then press the freeze frame, and I'm just going to make it a little bit shorter, and then I'm just going to let it continue to go along like that. Wow, she looks kind of small. Okay, maybe that's the perfect size, but yeah, that is that is essentially it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.